In this lesson, we are going to learn how to sing along to the first verse and the chorus. We will also learn how to play along to the verse and the chorus on our instrument and perform the first part of the song. So let's get ready to sing along to the first verse and chorus together.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
To run through all the notes, and I'm going to show you how to play these notes. The first note is A, high A, which is the front knuckle here. Could you play me a high A like this? Now you try. Well done. The next note we need to play is a high G. No hands. Now you have a go. Well done. Now, our next note is an F sharp. Our normal F is with our thumb on the back of the clarinet. This time, our F sharp is with our very first finger on the top hole. You try. Well done. Now we go to play our E. Now you try. And the note D. Now you try. Well done. We also have another new note, which is C sharp. Remember, to play C sharp is your first three fingers down, 1, 2, 3, with your thumb on the back and your baby finger pushing the key, this little key here, right next to the C, down. Listen to this. Could you play a C sharp for me? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. Now, we're going to play a low B, which is first three fingers on the front of the clarinet and a thumb at the back. Middle finger, middle hole. Now you try. Well done. Okay, we're going to go even lower than this note to a low A this time, which is 5 fingers in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and our thumb is on the back. You try. Well done. We are going to warm up with some of the notes that we need to know for Let's Dance. We're going to start off on a high A. Listen to me. Copy me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Well done. We're going to move on to F sharp, which is our very first finger on top hole, thumb off the back. Listen to this. After 1, with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Well done. The next note we're going to try is C sharp. Our fingers on for a C and the small key at the side here, C sharp. Listen to this. You try with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. And our last note today is a low A. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers in a row. Listen to this. You try with me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. Today we're going to do Let's Dance. We're going to do this in 2-bar phrases, and we're going to use the red line. It goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. A, B, 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 A. And it sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now you try. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Well done. And now we move on to the blue line. It sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. F, 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 F. And it's played with an F sharp. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Your turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Well done. And we move on to the second phrase. And we're going to use the red line. It goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. A, B, D, A, B, B. And it sounds like this. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now you try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Well done. And now we move on to the blue line. It goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. F, 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 G. Don't forget we are playing F sharps. Sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now you try. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Well done. And we move on to the next phrase. We're going to play the red line. We can't play until after the third beat. It goes like this. 1, 2, 3, A, B, A. Sounds like this. 1, 2, 3. Now you try. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Well done. And we move on to our next phrase, the blue line. It goes after the first beat. Listen to this. 1, 2, 3. F, G, A. Sounds like this. 1, 2, 3. Now you try. 1, 2, 3. Well done. And we move on to the next phrase. And we're going to use the red line. It starts after the third beat again, like this. 1, 2, 3. A, B, A, C, 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 B, B, B. Don't forget we are playing C sharps. And it sounds like this. 1, 2, 3. You try. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Well done. And now we move on to the blue line. It starts after the third beat again. Sounds like this. 1, 2, 3. F, G, F, E, 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 D, D, D. Don't forget we are playing F sharps. Sounds like this. 1, 2, 3. Now you try. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Well done. And we move on to the next phrase, the red line. It goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, 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 B, B, A, B, A. Don't forget to play C sharps. Listen to this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you try. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. And now we move on to the blue line. It sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. E, 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 G, G, F, F, G, A. Don't forget we're still playing F sharps. Listen to this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you try. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. And we move on to our next phrase. And we're going to use the red line. It starts after the third beat again. sounds like this. 1, 2, 3. A, B, D sounds like this. 1, 2, 3. Now you try. 1, 2, 3. Well done. And now we move on to the blue line. This again starts after the third beat. It sounds like this. 1, 2, 3. F, G, D sounds like this. 1, 2, 3. Do not forget we are playing F sharps. Your turn. 1, 2, 3. Well done.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey baby, won't you take a chance? Say that you'll let me have this dance. Let's dance. We'll do the twist, the stomp, the monkey take a two. Any old dance that you want to do. Let's dance.
Well done everyone, you've done a great job listening to each tutor and you've taken the time to pause and practice along the way. Remember, you can watch any part of this video as many times as you like to help you practice the piece so far at home.